Welcome back. Grammar second video. Book page number 13. Complete the passage with suitable articles. Astos is a dash Indian citizen. See that beginning the Waltz letter. So he is a dash IAS officer. This also same. So he has a dash ID card. Same Waltz letter. So he is dash MA. See the M has two sound A and M. A is the so an. Okay. With dash PhD. A. His father is dash engineer and his mother is dash doctor. Engineer beginning the Waltz letter. So an doctor, that is the consonant. Beginning the consonant letter. So A. He is married to Jennifer, who is a dash American. See the Waltz letter. So an. Turn the page. Citizen. She is dash interior designer by profession. See the beginning the Waltz letter. So an. Astos meet her when visited dash USA. Okay. So the Astos is a dash intelligent person. Intelligent. Okay. That is the Waltz letter behind. So an. He was a dash topper in the civil service exam. Okay. That is the one designation. So the dash condition of Indian. He was the topper in the civil services exam. He wants to serve dash poor and improve dash conditions of Indian villages. The poor and improve the condition of Indian villages. Second one, in dash early hours of today. The early hours of today, there was a dash accident on Vijayawada. Accident began the Waltz letter. So an. There was a dash collision between dash car and dash bus and dash. Yeah, collision between a car. Singular noun ma. So we use the a. That is the someone is repeat again. So the car driver was taken to hospital in dash ambulance. That is the meaning the Waltz letter. So an. X-ray same. So an dash X-ray showed an injury. That is the continue again on. So the X-ray showed dash injury. That is the beginning Waltz letter. So an to the spine. Okay. The dash case has been registered against the driver who is absconding after the accident. Yeah, the and the. Okay. See the correct the error in the following sentences. First look at the grammar point. We don't use articles with the names of. Okay, இதுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னாடி என்ன the articles use பண்ணக்கூடாது. So okay, don't use articles with the names. Language, abstract noun, countries, names of people, meals of the day, uncountable noun, water, salt, sugar, regular places of visit, school, college, church, individual place or season, weather. So don't use that articles. Okay, correct the error in the following sentences. First one, he goes to the college every Sunday. Okay, see there, that is the day. So don't use the article. He goes to college every Sunday. We will go to Simla in summer. That is the season. Okay, so don't use the article. We will go to Simla in summer. Third one, she is an European lady. See the cross out beginning the word letter, so here an, but that is the European, that is the which sound ma? Yes, y u sound, that is a consonant sound, so you cross out and write the a. She is a European lady. Fourth one, I will take dash year for year to recover, for her to recover. See the same இயர்னா என்னது, ஒரு இயர் அந்த மாதிரி தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ சிங்குலர் நவுன் தான். ஸோ ஏ இயர் ஃபார் ஹெர் டு ரெக்கவர். ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், மியூசிக் ஆஃப் திஸ் மூவி இஸ் குட். ஓகே, சி த மியூசிக் பர்டிகுலர் திங், ஸோ த மியூசிக் ஆஃப் திஸ் மூவி இஸ் குட். சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன், பிரசிடெண்ட் வில் விசிட் ஹைதராபாத். ஓகே, அவங்க வந்து ஒரு பொறுப்பில் இருக்கவங்க, ஸோ அவங்க டெசிஷன் கொடுக்கிறப்ப நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா த யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. செவன்த் ஒன், சுகர் இஸ் பேட் ஃபார் யுவர் டீத். ஓகே, சுகர் இஸ் த uncountable. Okay, so don't put the article, so cross out. Eighth one, we ate the dinner at an restaurant. Okay, see there, cross out. Why I will say the cross out ma? See there, meals of the day, so that is the meals, dinner. Okay, so no need to article, so I cross out. Ninth one, it is 7 o'clock but he is still in the bed. Okay, that is the bed is the sleeping place, regular place, so no need to article, cross out. 10th one, this is second time that she was called me. Okay, second, that is the ordinal number, so we use the. This is the second time that she has called me. 11th one, rich should help poor. Okay, the rich should help the poor, that is the group of people, so we use the and the rich should help the poor. 12th one, he was born in 70s. See that is the decades. Okay, so we use the he was born in the 70s. I have never been to Philippines. Okay, so I have never been to the Philippines. Fourth one, Pippin plays piano very well, that is the musical instrument, mention the particular musical instrument, so we use the. Next, complete the following with articles, omit the circle where is not required. Owls are active at night. owl என்ன செய்யும், நைட்டில் தான் ஆக்டிவாக இருக்கும், so here no need the article, so put the slash only. For the hyphen, they are not seen during the day. Okay, இங்கே வந்து the எழுதணும், இங்கே மென்ஷனாக பர்டிகுலர் டேன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஸோ டூரிங் த டே. ஐ லவ் டேஸ் கிறிஸ்மஸ். ஐ லவ் கிறிஸ்மஸ். ஓகே, ஃபெஸ்டிவலுக்கு முன்னாடி எந்தவித ஆர்டிகல்ஸுமே வராது, தட் ஜஸ்ட் சிம்பிள் சென்டென்ஸ், ஐ லவ் கிறிஸ்மஸ். ஸோ hyphen, I wake up early in dash the morning. Already having the, so no need to write. And look for gifts under dash Christmas tree. Here mention the particular thing, so we use the. I always watch news on dash television. Okay, that is the simple. I always watch news on television. Okay, here no need for articles, so it is the required, so you put the hyphen. I listen to song on dash radio. Here mention one particular thing, so we use the. Fourth one, many people died during dash freedom struggle. The freedom struggle. Fifth one, someone has broken into our house. Call dash police immediately. Okay, that is the designation, so we use the. Sixth one, Mount Everest is dash highest peak in dash world. Okay, that is the starting for Mount Everest. So here no need to article, so put the hyphen. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Here mention the mountain. So the word, that is the unique. So only one kind. So we use the. Seventh one, he is a dash agent in dash insurance company. Both are Walsh letter, beginning the Walsh letter. So we use the an and an. Eighth one, you must use a dash HB pencil to mark your answers in dash test. Here HB, that is the consonant. Okay, beginning the consonant, but the sound as HB, ha. So we use the an. Okay, Walsh start ஆகுது, so we use the an. And also test, that is the particular, here mention the particular test. So the. Ninth one, he was sent to dash prison for theft. Here also no need the article, so put the hyphen. She is going to office. Okay, that is the two are very simple sentence, so no need the articles, you put the hyphen only. Okay, write neatly in your book. Thank you.